Welcome to my channel and to the heart of Ghana, where tradition and heritage intertwine to form the rich tapestry of Ashanti culture. Join us on a journey through time as we explore the customs, rituals, and beliefs of one of West Africa's most renowned tribes. At the core of Ashanti culture lies a deep reverence for creativity and skill. From the vibrant patterns of Kente cloth to the symbolic motifs of Adinkra symbols, every creation is imbued with centuries of cultural heritage and spiritual significance. Our culture is a reflection of our history, a history of resilience, strength, and unity. Through our traditions, we honor our ancestors and pass down their wisdom to future generations. And our culture is a living testament to the resilience and spirit of our people. Passed down through generations, our traditions serve as a guiding light, illuminating the path of our collective journey. Central to Ashanti culture is the institution of Chieftaincy, where paramount chiefs serve as custodians of tradition and symbols of authority of our ancestors. Their leadership guides our community and upholds the values of respect, loyalty, unity, and honor. Throughout the year, the Ashanti celebrate a calendar of festivals that mark the changing seasons, commemorate historical events, and honor ancestral spirits. From the exuberant Adwara festival to the solemn Akwasiti, these gatherings are a testament to the vibrancy and resilience of Ashanti culture. In the face of change or modernity, the Ashanti continue to adapt while holding steadfast to their cultural heritage. With pride and determination, they navigate the complexities of the modern world, striving to preserve their traditions for generations to come, or they adapt to the changing times while safeguarding the sacred traditions that define their identity. Their struggle is not just for themselves, but for the preservation of a legacy that holds lessons for all humanity about the importance of cultural diversity, resilience, and reverence for the past. As the sun sets on another day in the land of the Ashanti, the spirit of tradition burns bright, illuminating the path forward for generations to come.